So today guys, instead of laser engraving on a plaque that will be riveted to some of the equipment here at our offices, we're going to directly engrave on the equipment itself. I don't know if it's going to work, but let's test it out, see how it does. Now the way I got this artwork in here is I literally just used the text tool on the left hand side on your panels here of tools. We're literally going to click on the T there, and then on your bottom left here you'll see that there's a thing here called text. So we're just going to obviously write here, let's do this again, land Ford, and then the cell phone number, and then we're just going, you can even choose your fonts, stuff like that. So there's a whole selection of fonts here that you guys can use. So let's even just go for let's see if we can find a nice one here, something different. So use this Keep Calm Med. So there you go, it's there. We're going to say application, applies it. I'm going to bring this to the center of the screen, but let's first remove this one. We're going to bring that to the center of the screen. We're going to hatch it, and today we're going to do a different hatch style. It's from right to left, if I'm not mistaken. We're going to hatch it like that. And then we're just going to check the framing. So we're going to press F1 once the machine's on. Obviously you saw that brought up an error. If the machine is not on, it cannot correspond with LableMark. So the machine has to be on for it to work. So let's turn the machine on. So now as you can see, it's initializing the new device. Now that's done, all we're going to do is press F1 so we can frame the artwork to the product that we're actually doing. So now that's all framed up and that, we're going to press F2, which is marking it. So now that it's all framed, we're going to mark it. I wasn't happy with having it run over the product once. It wasn't deep enough and it wasn't very visible. So what I did is I literally went down to the bottom left hand side of the screen, and on the right hand side of mark F2 you'll see here that there's a continuous mark. You can select that and it will continuously just engrave until you're happy with the results. There you go, you can actually directly engrave onto some of your household equipments. Obviously it has to be steel or leather or something like that, and also your workshop stuff. It came out pretty well, I'm happy with it, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you in the next one.